Welcome to the garden. Your Kuya and Uncle here. We're not gardening today, but we're here to pick strawberries.
You're watching Channel 1, a multilingual channel. Browse through the playlist for your preferred language, and you're watching the gardening series.
Welcome to our gardening series. By the way, this is combined with our cooking series this time because we're cooking or preparing strawberry jam. These are freshly harvested from the garden. As you notice, we have very limited number of ingredients. Just three actually. Strawberries, sugar, and lemon. Do you need a list for that? It's very simple. The recipe calls for a kilo of strawberries, 2 cups of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Now, I have here just half the portion, so this will be needing just half. This will be just half kilo, 1 cup of brown sugar or white sugar, and half tablespoon of lemon. We will now break the strawberries for each cooking. I've collected them. I picked them earlier. I plan to do a shoot there. In fact, even plan to prepare this jam or confiture at the shed, but I forgot the SD card of the camera. And obviously there are more cooking equipments here, so I brought them to the kitchen. Now, I also want to give special recognition to our loyalists, to our loyal attendees, to our regular sessions or regular live streamings, to Jennifer Boncaras and to Rodelin Dudos Reyes. And now, just this week, or just earlier today, ASMR with Anne. These 3 ladies receive loyalty supports or appreciations for their continued patronage of our channel. We're done. We will not be using the rest because they are not good. Now, we'll add the sugar. Again, a kilo requires 2 cups of sugar. It cannot be less. This is a recipe that does not allow adding less sugar if you want to be, if you're health conscious or figure conscious. No, because we are preparing a confiture or jam, and this is candy. It needs sugar. So for a kilo, you need 2 cups. Since we have just a kilo, we'll be using 2 cups, or 1 cup. But no, that's 1 cup, so this should be 1 cup sugar, or 1 cup sugar. Next is to macerate the mixture. Macerate means to soften. It's a new verb for me as well. Macerate. This will allow us to reduce the cook time. Just macerate. The sugar will blend, or the strawberry will absorb the sugar. Will dissolve the sugar. The strawberry absorbs it, and the strawberry softens. I forgot this to remove that one. It's a mess. Let it stand for at least an hour, and this will help us reduce the cooking time. Oh wait, I forgot to add lemon juice. Sorry. I forgot to add lemon juice. We'll do that now. The lemon juice, by the way, is not for flavoring. It's meant for increasing the acidity of the mixture. And when preserving or when canning food, acidity is needed to prolong the shelf life. If you don't have lemon, you can use vinegar or anything of acid. Vitamin C, even ascorbic acid, is also good. Look what happened to our strawberries after an hour. They have really adequately softened. And we can boil this now. The boiling usually takes more than 30 minutes. And it's good to use a big casserole because this will splatter. This will boil, this might overflow. This is a dish where we really need to stand next to the stove. We have to guard this because it can easily burn because of the sugar content. We have to keep on stirring it, especially when it begins to boil. Notice that it begins to boil and it begins to froth even. It's time to reduce the flame to just low to medium. There's a risk of burning the syrup. Remember, this is candy. Sugar burns easily. Notice that our mixture already has the consistency of a lava. Almost ready. The froth is gone. So we'll test it. We'll taste it, whether it's ready or not. The best way to test this is to use a plate, a frozen plate. I'll get it. Get some drops of the jam and see if it crawls, I think it's ready, yeah? Yeah, it has the consistency of a jam. Yeah, it's ready. Turn off. I'm not sure whether we can fill these two small jars, but we might as well prepare them both or use them both. Let's wash them first. Now, to avoid breakages, that is extremely hot. That's above 100. I think it's sugar, so it's a highly boiling point. So it's good to prepare these jars for extremely high temperature. It's good to acclimatize them, to preheat them by putting boiled water. Yeah. So, sorry, what was that? Yeah. We will not be processing this. If this was a tomato or any other canned good, we need to process. There's a special procedure for that. But since this will be consumed within 6 months, we will not be doing that. I'll just be pouring the jam into this jar. I don't have a funnel, so this requires a special skill. I don't have a funnel. I don't think we need the other. This should be good. Yeah. Yeah. So we have a strawberry jam or confiture if you're from France or some parts of Europe. Strawberry confiture. This one I'll just put this into a saucer and I'll use it tomorrow for my breakfast toast. So that's how to prepare strawberry jam. It's easy. Fresh from the garden. Grow your own, cook your own. And don't forget our upcoming videos on canning tomatoes. And for the special summer presentations, we'll be giving or offering travel videos. Till next time, bye bye.